In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. While Instagram doesn't offer an official way to track who unfollows you, there are third-party apps designed for this purpose. One popular app for tracking unfollowers is Follow Meter, available for both Android and iOS devices. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Follow Meter and download the app. Install and open the app on your device. Upon opening the app, log in using your Instagram account credentials and follow the prompts to authorize the app to access to your Instagram data. After logging in, Follow Meter will analyze your Instagram account. It will provide you with various insights about your followers and following. Tap on the Insights icon located in the bottom left corner of the app, and from the on-screen menu, select Unfollowers. And then Follow Meter will generate a list of people who have unfollowed you since installing the app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.